Very good morning to all the participants. This is the beautiful fourth day of our short term training program, Post COVID Consciousness in view of campus reopening. And all are welcome in this. And yes, our today's speaker is already here. We are just waiting for all the participants to join in, and we are just beginning in 2 3 minutes.
So, Pallavi ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, MNIT Bhopal, I am welcoming you to our this short-term training program. So, for the participants, first of all, I will like to introduce her, Dr. Pallavi Alap Deshpande. She is the youngest magician of India. She has authored physiotherapist, pranic healer, basic astrology, hypnosis, holistic nutrition. She is member of Akhil Bharati Nari Pragati Manch for 5 years. She has held more than 3,000 plus shows since 1990-91. She is first Indian girl magician to perform abroad, first Indian girl magician to be seen on Indian TV. She has been having shows on GTV, G Marathi, Mumbai Doordarshan, Bhopal Doordarshan. She has received Best Magic Award of India, Bal Jadugar Siromani, Brahmani, Brahmi Sundari Alankaran Puruskar, Jain Rat Gaurav Puruskar. She has also visited the Sark Magic Festival, Wonder Girl of India, She Talks, She Dreams Awards, IGCCIA Entrepreneurs Award, Others Samaj Seva Puruskar, Women Excellence Achievement Award, Women of the Future Award, Sukanya Award, Stree Shakti Award, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Award, APJ Abdul Kalam National Award. She has also authored the book which titles The Door to Confidence Opens Here, a book that helps you ongoingly cleanse, align, seed, and grow. And moreover, she has been a trendsetter by changing dimension of physiotherapy and health, increasing awareness and respect for the field, commitment, focusing and helping people focus on the source of pain, physical, emotional, and energies. So, Pallavi Madam, I very heartily welcome to you again, and you may proceed now. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks to you, sir. Thank you, Meena Agarwal, ma'am. And thank you to all the organizers and everyone being here. Thank you. It's a blessing. And thank you to the divine forces uh, who chose me to contribute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Pallavi ji,
Ji.
a warm welcome to you. And it in itself is a magic that in such a young age you have been awarded by so many things, and you have learned so many things. This itself is a magic.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And I feel that it is the divine magic and it is the magic of the attitudinal shift that happened over a period.
Okay,
And
okay.
that's our
So
topic today.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. So I suppose our students and our faculty members, including myself, we will also be touched by that magic and we will be transformed after this session. We pray to divine together that let all our lives be transformed for greater good of one and all.
Yes,
Yes.
and let's
Really.
please chant together as well with me. Together
Yes.
restore divine order now. Together restore divine order now. Together
Yes.
restore divine order now.
Let
Divine
us
magic begin
together.
now. Divine magic begin now. Divine magic
Divine
begin
magic
now.
begins now.
Divine magic
Divine
begin
magic
now.
begins now. And yes, It is
Yep.
for them who believe and who are into it. Yes, yes, over to you.
It is wisdom
Yes.
to believe, ma'am. And I respect everyone's choices because everyone has his or her own
Okay,
journey
okay,
and way
that's
of
nice,
looking at life.
nice.
But here I am to share whatever has uh, taken me here. And I hope it अगर उसमें से कुछ भी uh, यहाँ से एक के भी काम आता है तो it is like worthwhile to me. So, yes, and with that, I just want you all to think ये 4 दिन से आप you are in the sessions and really ask yourself and be true to your own self that what is the attitude that you be here with. It is like यार बोला है और रूल है तो करना ही पड़ेगा. One attitude is that. दूसरा is if I don't go then I will face the consequences. That is another attitude. Third is यार हाँ ये अच्छा लग रहा है, let me see and uh, uh, find out what is in it there. और ये हो सकता है कि यार she looks good, I would love to attend a session. Or you really be here so that you get an access that how do I really be successful and develop myself and build my muscles in all the possible ways that I become a better and successful human being, and my parents, my teachers, my near and dear ones are proud of me. So when we leave the world, when you are not here, how do you want your siblings to remember you? How do you want your friends to remember you? How do you want your teachers to remember you? How do you want your family to remember you? Just imagine that you leave the world and people are talking about you. How do you want them to be discussing about you? So आज के सिचुएशन में तो मैम ऐसा है ना कि it is so uncertain. We are going through very different phases, and we need to really make every day worthwhile. Jitne din hai, let's work on the quality. Let's live it fully, but live it from power, not fear or greed or worry or anxiety. So,
Wow,
yes. So,
great,
what is
great.
the attitude you are here from? And really right. और अगर नहीं है, so don't go into guilt that अरे हाँ मैं तो ऐसे ही कुछ इंटेंशन लेकर यहाँ पर आया था. See, yeah, I think the thing is that it is your life and you need to be responsible for creating your own life. So 10 years from now, when you look back, you need to connect the dots that yes, ये जो sessions हुए ना, इसमें मैंने जो लिया, it really made a difference. And it is like from 4 days see people are here and ma'am I'm so pleased that you are doing a extraordinary work. So यहाँ सब लोग देने के लिए तैयार है, अब लेना कितना है और क्या है ये आप पे निर्भर करता है ना. So
Exactly,
really be
exactly.
in
So
the
I request
space.
all the participants to be participative because this is not a lecture one way, isn't it? Isn't it? That was
Absolutely.
Pallavi ji was. So you
So
can put on your videos as you are. You are acceptable as you are. You can put on your videos and be interactive. As in
yes, I
when
really
Pallavi
want
ji
each
is so
one of
sweet,
you to be interactive.
you can ask anytime whatever you want and
Yes.
just open up because this is an opportunity to open up. And if you are blooming and blossoming, that is the happiest thing for all of us. That's what the purpose of this, to develop a new kind of
Absolutely.
consciousness and your growth and your blooming. Yes, Pallaviji, please carry on.
Yes, so just repeat in your mind once that I want to be here. I'm here because I want to be here. I'm here because I want to be here. I'm here because I know that there is something worthwhile that I can create out of whatever I receive being here. And really be true to that line. And just write it down. Write it down in bold letters that yes, It is, I am not going to get hooked up in anything else but just receiving that pure education that we are meant to receive, and just keep yourself focused to all that is. So where is your focus? Just ask yourself and shift it. जस्ट शिफ्ट इट. आपको ऐसे लगता है कि हमें सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए ये इतना सा शिफ्ट बहुत बड़ा मैजिक क्रिएट कर सकता है? Just, to receive what you want in your life? Yes. So just tell yourself that yes, whatever is the influence, you may be at whatever level of or whatever space in घर में कोई बीमार होगा, maybe someone near and dear ones you have lost, or some crisis that we are going through. It can be financial crisis, emotional crisis, or whatever level of crisis. उसको वैसे ही रहने दो. You all have the power to create that shift for your own self and people around you, provided that you believe in it. So really try and receive and implement छोटी छोटी चीजें जो आप यहाँ से लेकर जा सकते हो. Write it down and use it. Okay, so whatever I am talking since past 5-7 minutes and since 4 days, ठीक है, अब ध्यान से सुनना. जो भी हो रहे हैं सेशंस है ना आपके, तो आप कहीं ना कहीं आपके सिस्टम में जो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर प्री इंस्टॉल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर है उससे मैच कर रहे हो और अर्थ जोड़ रहे हो ना. यू मे बी इन द रिसीविंग मोड, हैप्पी, हाँ यार कुछ तो दम है इसमें, या यू मे बी लाफिंग, क्रिटिसाइजिंग, मेकिंग whatever interpretations of all that is, right? So आप जो भी देख रहे हो, सुन रहे हो, समझ रहे हो, एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो उसके साथ? whatever information you are absorbing from all your 5 senses, you are attaching some meaning to it. So in the engineers language, we are also machines, and we are meaning making machines. We all the time attach meaning to whatever is happening around us and with us, right? So we are meaning making machines, but do you know that you have the power and the choice to attach a meaning that or that can take you to living a powerful life, a successful life, a happy life, the life that you are meant to be, that you deserve, that you can create just by attaching that meaning. Do you really believe in that? Or do you feel that people, circumstances, the situation, that is all responsible for creating whatever you want in your life? Or the meanings? Whatever 7 billion people here in the world, or यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग हैं, are we attaching exactly same meaning to whatever I am speaking or what is happening since 4 days? So we have this internal processor within us. वो प्रोसेसिंग पावर है ना जो दिखती नहीं है, but that processing power is something that can create magic in your life. And that is what I want each one of you to practice, that I have that processing power and I can attach maybe millions of meanings to whatever is happening around me, whatever I'm hearing, whatever I'm seeing, experiencing by all my 5 senses. And this meaning is creating my life, and it is just a thought, and a thought can be changed provided I'm not righteous about the hooks, the negatives. So what is the meaning that you can attach right now to whatever situation you are put in? Either we can go into guilt and blame and resentment and worry and anxiety and decrease our vibration, decrease our power. हाँ, और what we can do is उसको अच्छा भी अर्थ जोड़ सकते, ये पहले बिलीव हो रहा है कि नहीं कि आई हैव द पावर टू अटैच मीनिंग, और हो सकता है कि मैं बहुत टाइम से क्योंकि ऐसे प्रभाव में हूँ, ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंस में हूँ, आई एम सराउंडेड बाय पीपल हु अटैच सिमिलर मीनिंग्स, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई एम ऑल्सो लुकिंग एट इट फ्रॉम द सेम पर्सपेक्टिव एंड गेटिंग द सेम रिजल्ट्स, एंड देन आई एम cribbing and crying that, and it's a trap. It's a trap to be there. So the only way to really, if at all you feel that you are in a mess, or you are facing challenges, or you want to get into the next level of whichever phase you are into, may be good, but you can be even better. So इसके लिए अगर हम प्रोसेसिंग में थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट कर ले, प्री वर्क ऑफ either I absorb information in a way that gives me power. That is what is shifting your own thoughts and feelings. Shifting your own occurrence, your way of looking at things, हमारा चश्मा जैसे हम देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप जो चश्मा लेकर यहाँ बैठे हो ना, आप वही लेके जाओगे, उससे ज्यादा नहीं, कम नहीं. सो पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उस चश्मे को पहले तो समझना पड़ेगा. हाउ डू यू नो दैट? योर थॉट्स, योर इमोशंस विल टेल यू. You need not go into guilt, okay? Forgive yourself. See, my attitude for life, ma'am, and everyone here, I feel so proud that it is always accepting, it is always forgiving, it is always being okay with whatever situation I'm put in. So my energies are not flowing towards the bad, the wrongs. And it is always giving what I want to receive back, even in terms of emotions. If I want respect, I need to give respect. If I want love, I need to radiate that pure positive energy. If I want confidence, I need to make other people around me feel confident. I need to uplift people around me, and I need to be flowing freely, because whatever I have, I need to just give and pass on so that I have more. When you are sitting here, you can either, again, one of the attitudes that I have practiced is that whether I want to impress or express. And it is, I have always practiced expression of whatever जो मिला वो pass on करना है, उसको flow होने देना है. You getting impressed is a byproduct. It's a consequence. It is not the yes. So from where am I coming from? What is the starting point? Why are you sitting here? Really ask yourself and be true to yourself. आप आपकी बुक पे, अगर आपके पास बुक है, तो 2 सर्कल्स बना दो, बड़े 2 सर्कल्स बना दो मैम, 2 circles, and in the left side you write all the ordinary world feeling, है ना. अभी it is a global crisis we can call, or challenge we can call, right now we are into, and it is certainly very significant. We have to together really make that shift. तो एक पहला सर्कल बना दो, और वहां पर ऊपर मैम आप लिख दीजिए, and everyone here, I am unable to see you still, you haven't put on your videos, but okay, I forgive, but keep on taking what you are supposed to. So उस सर्कल के ऊपर आप लिख दीजिए ordinary world. Ordinary world. 90% of people have this as their operating system. And what do? They operate from fear. उसके अंदर लिखो आप अभी आपके सारे emotions जो अभी आप हो. It can be fear, it can be anger, it can be worry, it can be anxiety, it can be frustration, it can be hopelessness, it can be, just upset or jealousy or whatever. Just ask yourself, what are the depleting emotions that I want to shift? And do you think it is worth shifting? So that is the ordinary world. But I always have a choice to operate from the extraordinary world. तो दूसरा जो सर्कल है ना, अब ये सर्कल में पहले वाले में आप कुछ भी और लिख सकते हो. You write grief, you be right about it. But it's not going to give you the result that you are looking for. If you are happy to be there, and you feel that no, there is no need to shift, I respect you. But if you want success, if you want to that little extra, if you want to be happy, then you need to operate from the extraordinary world by choice, not by force. And that is, उसमें आप लिख दीजिएगा joy, acceptance, happiness, gratitude, forgiveness, support, help, enthusiasm. सोचिए और now I want you to participate and really think कि और क्या क्या है, and where is the power, where is the success? Ask yourself. It's always, and you need to be. देखिए हमारे पास 2 buttons होते हैं, हाँ, सबके पास. We have one button of the devil side and one of the divine side, and we all have that. And devil is not that devil, but all the unwanted energies, all the unwanted emotions. और same situation में by choice you have to be strict with yourself there, that चाहे कुछ भी हो, I will choose and I will make my choices from the uplifting side, uplifting my own self and others, from the divine side, because the power lies there. यहाँ है ना, आप trapped रह जाओगे. This can you cannot make your life worthwhile and people around you if you are operating from the lower emotions. So अगर आपको blame करने में मजा आता है तो then it's your like okay, and or if you feel that नहीं I am ऐसे ही हूँ मैं, या ऐसे हुआ तो बोलेंगे नहीं, we have to. But ask yourself कि हो सकता है कि मैं ही अपना चश्मा बदलने की कोशिश करूं, wherein out of all that I see, I take my focus to something that I want to energize, which I want to receive back, which I want to be multiplied in my life. And I always have that choice. We may hear 1000 information. कोई आपको criticize कर रहा होगा, कोई आपके ऊपर हंस रहा होगा, कोई आपके बारे में अच्छा बोल रहा होगा. वो भी, this is from the information that you are receiving via sounds, what you hear. और उसको भी आप process कर सकते हो. It's all the attitude within, how you want to process it. And start processing it a little differently. अगर वो नेगेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन है ना, तो उसको हवा नहीं देना है, बट एज अ रिस्पेक्ट उसको लेना भी है. समझ लो आपके टीचर्स है जो आपको, या आपके पेरेंट्स है जो आपको आपके बारे में ऐसा कुछ बोल रहे हैं जो आप सुनना नहीं चाहते. यू बिकम अनकंफर्टेबल. तो उसको गाइडेंस की तरह लेना है, वो टोन में, वर्ड्स में, और कैसे बोला, क्या बोला, या बॉडी लैंग्वेज में नहीं अटकना है जब आप यहाँ से घर जाओगे, बिकॉज आपने उनकी जिंदगी नहीं जी है, तो आपको कोई हक नहीं है उनके बारे में कोई ओपिनियन बनाने का. आपको तो आपकी जिंदगी बनानी है, तो आपको कैसे प्रोसेस करना है उसको you have to be very strict with yourself that I'm not going to get hooked up in the words, I'm not going to get hooked up in the tone, I'm not going to get hooked up in the body language, I'm just going to छलनी में डाल के ये बोलना क्या चाहते हैं और इसको मेरे लिए इसमें क्या है, and then you just transform it to your new reality. Okay, I remember my life wherein I have always, you know, a very pampered child, and after two brothers I was born and a girl child, and uh, I was like सबकी लाडली, और मेरे तक तो कोई काम आता ही नहीं था, हर कोई कर लेता था. So because दो बड़े भैया and everything, and then definitely I was like a child prodigy, so always, you know, a celebrity atmosphere even at home, सब कुछ हाथ में मिलता था, and especially every area of life, whether it is calm, yeah, whether it is, you know, managing money and finances, I never bothered, I just did my role. But कुछ समय ऐसे आया when I had to do that, like wherein I had no choice. When you are into entrepreneurship, you are taking care, and you have 10 people, you know, working with you as your team. You have to take care of them. You have to take care of whatever is required and needed for uh, for running the show, or you know, producing results. And I had to do certain things which I was not, you know, at all experienced for. So उस समय जो भी नेगेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन मुझे डेफिनेटली वो फेस से भी जाना पड़ा. when I started doubting myself, when I started you know, even criticizing myself that I am not good enough at managing finances, I am not good enough at taking care of 1, 2, 3, 4. So that attitude, was it a positive attitude? I will feel more bad about, or I will have something to put blame on my own past. Some people, some situation, but will that take me to what I want? No, however right I am about it. So मुझे कौन सा, what was the attitude needed there, which I am practicing? I used to remind myself and really listen to this, okay, that Pallavi, it is not about you. Take yourself off. It is about that. तो जैसे हम अपने आइडेंटिटी में जाते हैं ना, वहां हम बीच में आ जाते हैं ना, तो हमारा ईगो बीच में आ जाता है. So it is not about you, it is about that needs to be done. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है, एक तो हम जहां है वहां खुद को एक्सेप्ट करना है, being okay, forgiving yourself, having that patience, and then asking yourself कि ये चीज होने के लिए क्या करना है. It's not my failure, it is that thing failed. So उसमें क्या होना चाहिए, so that that result is delivered, what you are looking for. So it is not about you, you need not take everything personally there. So जब मैंने उसको खुद को वहां पे अंदर बार बार डालना बंद कर दिया, my life became very easy कि okay, that needs to be done. So what is possible, okay, तो कोई भी चीज हमने जब कभी की नहीं है तो क्या होगा, टाइम लगेगा. बट अगर हम 1000 बार करेंगे तो धीरे धीरे and if it is worthwhile, then automatically, so we need not compare ourselves with others. We need not go into that guilt blame tunnel, but just and not go into that self identity or self image, and just remind ourselves that okay, what is to happen here is this, And for that, what is required is 1, 2, 3, 4, and still you will fail. So it is not your failure. It is just about something was to be done in a certain way. And what is the way? Let me practice that. So, am I making sense? Yes? Do you think it can help you? Certainly. Do you have any questions so that we interact further accordingly from here? Let me just go back to some points that I have shared. One is we commit ourselves to always operate from the extraordinary world, because that is where the power is. That is where the success is. The real success is. It's not in competition, it is in cooperation. So that is a choice. I have that power to choose. And if your why is clear, only then you're going to be choosing that. और फिर भी हम बार बार वो ऑर्डिनरी वर्ल्ड में जाएंगे. हमने घर पे क्या किया है ना मैम, हमने है ना अपने घर में वो सामने ही वी हैव पुट लाइक यू नो इट इज अ रिमाइंडर, अ स्ट्रक्चर फॉर माय 2 daughters, and they also remind कि okay we need, oh sorry we need to operate from the extraordinary world. और हाँ अच्छा ये तो fear में हूँ मैं, अच्छा I'm blaming, oh I'm feeling guilty, oh okay fine, I'm okay to be here, but yes now let me take that gentle shift to be in the extraordinary world. So what choice is better? वो सामने wall पे लगा दो that okay this is where I choose to be, and then it will create magic in your life. And then is always expressing, not going into impressing, but expressing. And then if at all you fail, it's not your failure, it is something that did not work. And what can you do for it to work? So you save a hell lot of energy there, which can be channelized to something worthwhile. So I need some questions, some feedback from you to just move ahead in your flow. So I just want to understand where you all are. Am I making sense? Do you want me to make it more easier for you? Or yes, we are good to go further. So actually मैम मैं ना शिवानी दीदी का एक ये पढ़ रही थी wherein she was talking about the new normal. And
Okay.
then she just made us realize that we think that fear is normal, guilt is normal, worry is normal. कि इतना सब हो गया तो डर तो लगेगा ही ना, ये हुआ तो fear तो आएगा ही, गैंगर तो आएगा ही, worry तो आएगा ही, anxiety तो आएगा ही, एग्जाम पास आ गए, पढ़ाई नहीं हुई है, जो भी पोर्शन है वो कवर नहीं हुआ है, ऑनलाइन तो ये है. See, I have 1,000 reasons to blame, 1,000 righteous things to blame, but we say that it is normal. और अगर कोई कहे कि नहीं इतना सब हो गया तो भी मुझे डर नहीं लग रहा है, इतना सब हो गया तो भी मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा है, तो then people may ask that सच में, I mean are you normal? so so we have made something that 90% of the world is following as normal, but understand normal is peace, normal is happiness, normal is acceptance, normal is finding a way. That is normal is being happy. So that is normal. So what is the other side is in fact abnormal. And if at all you find yourself there, very gently, without self-criticism, very compassionately make that shift to the normal. Am I making sense? So, because my topic is attitudinal shift during this tough time of COVID and in the times of new normal. Ma'am, sometime what happens that we decide, let me just, can anyone read it for me? I missed the question. I can't see the messages. Can anyone repeat the question? What was that? Okay, we come back to it. If someone can repeat it for me, please tell me because I can't see the questions here. Hmm?
Okay, okay.
There was a question.
Hello.
Ashish, you read your question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask that sometime we decide to bring a change in our attitude. For example, after seeing this session, after participating in this session, most of us will agree with the things you say, and we will decide to bring about a change in our attitude. But, ma'am, as the time passes, as we face new situations, we slowly become weaker and become the prey of those situations, ma'am. So how to continue this positive attitude for long, ma'am? My question was that, ma'am. How
Yeah,
to sustain
actually,
for long?
okay, very right question because what happens is जो भी मैं अभी आपसे बात कर रही हूँ ना आशीष एवरीवन वो सब आपके कॉशियस ब्रेन में डाला गया है. So you want to do it, like, and you want to follow. But the subconscious is running the show. And subconscious में already बहुत सारा influence, बहुत सारा information feeded है. So what happens is later on वापस subconscious dominates, So we need to just be very clear about वो तब तक कंटिन्यू करना है जब तक वो सबकॉन्शियस के लिए सच्चाई नहीं बन जाए. ऑफ कोर्स वी नीड टू बी डिसिप्लिन. आशीष, इफ यू रियली वांट टू फॉलो दिस यू नीड टू हैव स्ट्रक्चर्स अराउंड you which will make you remind of that reality that you have chosen to be here, not anyone, anything else outside. सो उसके लिए एक सॉलिड स्ट्रक्चर होना जरूरी है. जैसे मैंने बोला कि वॉल पे आपके होने दो, बिकॉज आपके आसपास के लोग उसके बारे में नहीं बोलेंगे ना, आपने सुना है, वो तो वही बोलेंगे जो वो उनका जर्नी है, उसी में से वो इंफॉर्मेशन आएगा. सो चाहे वो अपने इमीडिएट नियर एंड डियर वंस भी हो, आपके पेरेंट्स हो, आपके फ्रेंड्स हो, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि इफ इट इज नॉट वर्थ वाइल do you want to let that influence your life? You can still love them for who they are. You can still be okay with their journey and tell yourself that okay, I take this as a guidance, but then I have the processing power. Let me process it powerfully and then उसमें से छलनी में डाल के जो काम का है आप बोलो. आपके इमोशंस को टिका के रखो. See the intention that you want to fulfill for yourself, for your life. May it be this कि okay, right now we are all going through this phase. So एक है कि हम क्रिप करें, रोए, but I bet on it. Why are we even here in the college? So that we hire successful engineers. जो भी लाइफ के कौन से भी कोने में कहीं पे भी आप जाओ, your teachers, your parents are proud of you and you are doing your work in integrity, in honesty. जो भी आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, जो आपने पढ़ा है, नहीं पढ़ा है तो पढ़ लेना, नहीं किया है तो कर लेना. Like I said, that it is not your failure, it is not the country's failure, it is not your parents' failure, it is that something did not work. And just making that work. And if you are committed to, it will. So एक है कि you need to have patience. मजाक नहीं है. सबकॉन्शियस को बिल्कुल चेंज पसंद नहीं होता है. जब आप कुछ अच्छा, कुछ चेंज, जो भी आपका एक फिक्स्ड प्रोटोकॉल होता है ना, हमारा चश्मा, जैसे ही हम वो बदलने की कोशिश करते हैं ना, पहले ब्रेकडाउन आ जाते हैं. मतलब जो चीज हमें नहीं चाहिए वो पहले एकदम उभर के आ जाती है. So you want to get rid of anger and you start getting more angry. and you start attracting people who will make you feel more irritated, or you will start attracting situations which will stimulate that anger, and then it's a trap. But if you really think that getting out of that trap is good for you, it is good for others, and it serves the higher good, then it is definitely worthwhile. So first is you being okay with where you are, you being very consistent efforts, आपके छोड़ना नहीं, वो करते रहना. It will take time, and write this sentence that it may take few days, it may take few weeks, it may take few months or years, but it will happen. And until then, I will remain calm. It can be any area of your life. It can be something I have actually so powerfully utilized these lines when I was up to completing my own book, because that was my goal, my intention in 2000, I think 12 or 13. And then I had all the right reasons for not doing it, and no one around me even bothered about it, because that was not their goal, it was my goal. My daughters, I had 2 daughters, I had my pregnancy, that I had my family, I had the role that was to be completed as an entrepreneur or a health professional, and their expectations were not as the expectation of my own self with me. I mean, मेरे अपने expectations जो खुद से है उसे मुझे alive रखना पड़ेगा, तो वो structure में डालना होगा आपको. So just have a strong structure and develop your own processing power, that okay, even the attitudinal shift will happen unless and until you are not resigned कि नहीं यार ये सब होता नहीं है, हम बस सुनते कुछ दिन करते, और आपके आसपास वाले भी बोलेंगे हाँ ये ऐसे ऐसे सेशंस में जाते रहते हैं और कुछ होता तो है नहीं. इनफैक्ट पूरा, बिकॉज उनको सी व्हेन यू स्टार्ट समथिंग फर्स्ट यू विल फील इट दैट नहीं, देयर इज अ चेंज विद इन. अब मुझे वो चीजों की उतनी तकलीफ नहीं होती है जो पहले होती थी, और फिर वो दूसरों को दिखेगा, एकदम से नहीं दिखेगा, वो चाहे आपके पेरेंट्स भी हो. पर आपको अपने आप पे विश्वास रखना होगा, आपको आपके चॉइसेस पे विश्वास रखना होगा, और आप जो कर रहे हो अगर आप ऑनेस्टली करो ना, तो देन आपको आप अपने आप सिर्फ वो दिशा में आपको कदम रखते जाना. जस्ट बी ट्रू टू योर ओन सेल्फ, डोंट गो इनटू प्रूविंग एनीथिंग टू एनीवन. You need not prove that your attitude is changed. It is for because it works for where you want to go. So attitudinal shift is not, to impress anyone, but for expressing what you want as the truth, as the reality. That is your own expression that I want to be successful, और उसका ये prerequisite है. I want to be happy, उसका ये prerequisite है. Not because it looks good, not because bad attitude looks bad, and what will people say about me. We are not talking about that. It's much more deeper meaning. So once you know why, आप टिके रहना जरूरी है. You can you go on the YouTube channel. That is also, I have freely shared whatever knowledge I have on the YouTube channel, and the videos, please don't get hooked up in कुछ मैंने जब शुरुआत की ना मैम, कुछ इसमें वॉइस ही नहीं क्लियर था, कुछ इसमें और पता नहीं ये वर्ड, लाइक आई एम नॉट लाइक sharpened in that digital skills, but still I had that commitment कि नहीं, जो आता है जो पता है वो दे के जाना है, पता नहीं कब टाइम है अपना अभी जाने का सब. So and the energy needs flow. We have a choice कि रोते बैठना है, कुछ नहीं, and then what is the best I can do right now with whatever resources I have. And I tried that, and during that past one year, whatever knowledge I could share in every area of life, I have freely shared, and I hope it is worthwhile. So as a concept, if you can take something out of it and implement in your life, So I would be very happy. So Ashish, please keep on just using yourself. और एक लिख के रखना कि मेरे लिए attitudinal shift लाना easy होता जा रहा है. Because right now, from your question, it seems difficult. And it can be क्योंकि we are in influence of something ना, हम continuously influence जो भी information हम अगर आपको वो journey easy बनानी है, make sure that the information you read is at least maximum % of it is worthwhile for your soul. It is nourishing to your soul. Whatever you hear is worthwhile. Whatever you experience, the people, your friends, your circumstances, associate with people who have this empowering attitude, who are motivated in life, who are inspiring. So cautiously read those books, cautiously see those videos. It's your life and you have to stand for yourself. Who else will come and do that for you? The sooner we realize it, the better it is. So am I making sense? So just stay committed, just stay on track. आपकी दिशा सही है. टाइम थोड़ा लगेगा, आप पहले कुछ करना चाहोगे, वापस इधर आ जाओगे, उठा के आपको ही ऊपर खुद को रखना है. Don't wait for anyone to come and pull you out. Just do whatever is required and needed to uplift your own self and be a giver. Be a giver. Take that stand of uplifting people around you. And in that process, automatically, you will notice that shift within as well. So, any more questions? I hope I answered your question, Ashish.
Yes, very nicely. Ankur, you want to ask something? Anyhow, we can move ahead. It's very nice. Nice. It will be very helpful, I suppose.
Yes,
Those who
definitely.
are really learning at the university.
So what we hear is, yes, Ankur.
Yes, G. Ma'am, I want to change my one of my habits. That is a very bad habit, but uh, though I have motivation also for that, I have given enough thought to that also. That why it is important for me to change that, and I know its consequences also, but still I could not control that habit. How to get out of that, or what else I should be doing?
Okay. Okay. First of all, step one is being okay with what is, being really okay and forgiving that fine, I was in influence of something and now I realize and I choose to be here. So you accept and you forgive yourself every time. And you appreciate yourself for even wanting to make that shift every time. And एक 0 to 10 का स्केल बना दो और अपने आप को रेट करो कि if you rate yourself 1 year back, where were you in terms of that habit? And your emotions related to whatever. And now where you are. So I may be on 1 or 2 pehle, 0 being worse. And then I want to take this journey to 10. It's my life. So from 0 to 10, I was on 1. Then I go back, थोड़ा सा attempt करके 2 को celebrate करो. Celebrate that 2. It is not going to be, see, there is always a gray shade between, black and white. So it's not about the habit, whatever, like, it's like between. आपको वो जर्नी एंजॉय करनी है अपने आप को. जितना आप उस छोटे से, ये होता ना, it can be as simple as phone use. So you know that you should not be doing it, but you're doing it. out of stress, out of influence, out of whatever. And then you are disciplined. Now it's all the internal processing game that is happening. So अगर आप पहले घंटों फोन यूज करते थे और अभी आपको पता है कि कॉशियसली आप 10 मिनट्स आपने आपके काम किए, वो 10 मिनट्स को सेलिब्रेट करो कि यस ग्रेट, अगर मैं 10 मिनट्स कर सकता हूं तो मैं 11 भी कर सकता हूं. सो जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे को हम अपने आप को है ना, जैसे ही बहुत समझदार समझने लगते हैं ना, सब लोचा वहीं पे हो जाता है. Consider yourself a small child and appreciate yourself for that one step, first step. And the more you appreciate, the more you want to do it. The more you criticize yourself for being here, the more it will not happen. And secondly, you can again converse on my maybe YouTube channel or Facebook page, or get connected if, because here we are short of time. But yes, whatever we do, whatever habits we capture, we are fulfilling some of our emotional needs than the physical needs, and we don't know that we are doing this. If you go back and just see, literature or information or videos by Tony Robbins, that we have 6 psychological needs. Need to feel significant, need to feel loved, need to share. There's certainty, uncertainty, growth, and these are our soul's needs. और कहीं ना कहीं हम वो नीड यहाँ से फुलफिल हुई नहीं तो हमने ये पाथ ले लिया, तो we had that divine choice, no? So where is it coming from? You being okay with where you are, you forgiving yourself, you rating your own self, and then you just keep seeing this as the truth. And trust me, I will give you a very, very simple, access कि आप है ना अभी के सिचुएशन पे कोई भी कंक्लूजन नहीं निकालना कि यार ये इतने टाइम हुआ, ये वर्क ही नहीं कर रहा है. नो, यू जस्ट कीप सीइंग this as your reality. When you will be free from that habit, what is possible? Louise Hay का एक बहुत beautiful book है, You Can Heal Your Life, and she talks about that should is the worst word, it's the most dangerous words that we use, and it should be out of our own vocabulary. So if you think that you should get rid of this habit, then you will feel more bad about it. जैसे ही आप बोलते हो you should get rid of this habit, तो क्या होगा? आपको क्या याद आएगा? You will feel not good enough, ना? There is something wrong in me. I am not good enough. सो द पास्ट की फाइल ओपन होती है. अगर आप सचमुच अभी मेरे साथ हो और ये सोचो, तो जैसे ही हम अपने आप को आई शुड गेट अप अर्ली, मतलब मैं कल नहीं उठा था, मैं परसों से नहीं उठ रहा हूँ, सो देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ मी. सो आई शुड, पहले उसको हटा दो और अपने आप को हमेशा ये याद दिलाओ कि if I could get rid of this and make a shift here, what is possible for me? If I make this little attitudinal shift, what is possible for me? And let that be your operating system from the could, because could will open the doors to future. The could will be calling for action. It will not take your self-image down. You will feel good about yourself, and when you feel good about where you are, only then you can make that shift. People around you में उनको नहीं जाके सिखाना, हाँ प्लीज, आपके पापा मम्मी को दैट आप शुड में बात करते हो, आपने कुड में करना चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट, आपके पास इंटरनल प्रोसेसिंग पावर है, वो जैसे ही शुड में बोले आप अपने आप को बोलोगे अरे हाँ रे, if I could be able to do this, what is possible for me? And then see the magic. Have I answered your question, Ankur?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Very nicely, very nice, Pallavi ji. It is very nice. Actually, yeah, this book is marvel, very nice book, and I have also been referring this. But this is the explanation, simple and the best explanation you have given regarding the should and this, because otherwise people go in guilt. Na, then it is not possible to
It's a trap.
make
It's a trap.
change. है ना? Otherwise also means if you are means don't focus on your negative habits. Na means to add on, I am telling this thing. If you are having, okay, everybody is having some other limitations. Don't focus much on that. Focus on more on what you want. That also can be one way. That also can be one way. And then this bad thing or whatever bad or whatever such habits which are pulling you back, those will be dropped down automatically. That also one way.
And
That
why
also is one.
label it as good and bad? It's a habit,
Yeah.
and there are consequences. And if you're not happy about the consequences, you need to do something about it.
Right, right. Very much.
So,
Yes.
yes, so let it
Any
be.
questions? Any other questions we have? Or otherwise we'll go ahead.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay. So, what is attitude for you? What is attitude for you? Is it body language, or is the body language reflection of attitude? When you sit in the class, are you like with your folded hands? So this is like, कहते हैं ना, आपने सुना भी होगा कि कभी भी आप अगर क्लास में बैठे हो तो आपके हाथों को फोल्डेड नहीं रखना है. आप ऐसे ना क्रॉस करके आप बैठते हो ना, तो वैसे नहीं बैठना है. क्यों? Rather than it looks arrogant, rather than it looks like being egoistic, rather than it looks like I know better than you, or don't teach me, but it is, in the energy world, you are not open to receiving. और जब आप क्लास में बैठते हो तो आपका सिर्फ एक ही इंटेंशन होना चाहिए कि really being grateful to whoever has given their time, their energy, their knowledge, they're giving the part of their life to you. So with that feeling of gratitude, really not getting hooked up in the teacher or the space or whatever, just absorbing very freely with open, right now we did the prayer with that open arms. We did not do the prayer with closed aura, no? So we need to be the same when we are in the classes. Relate it, have that attitude that you're entering a very very positive space. Temple would may sound a little wrong to you, but if you can, you would get super 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 powerful from whatever you receive there, because that is the place you will be. That would be your chashma, and that is the energy that you enter with. And when you enter with that energy, you absorb accordingly, and when you absorb accordingly, that is going to direct you in your life with that power. I have had so many challenges in my own life, and wherein we had 3,500 shows. ऐसे ही नहीं किए ना, कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी होगी ना. The teamwork, the practice, the travel, and it was always not exactly as expectations. जो भी लोग होते हैं, जो जगह होती है, जो arrangements होती है, there was so much to blame if at all I look back, and there was so much to appreciate. And there was so much to make excuses that why I did not complete XYZ assignment or work or project or studies, or why I did not score good marks. But whom am I proving to? It's my life. So मैंने अपना रास्ता हमेशा अपने आप शायद thanks to my parents and my circumstances and the books I read and the people I was surrounded with, that gave me power always. The blessings, you know, never underestimate the power of blessings. They're super powerful. है ना, हम अभी मॉडर्नाइज्ड वर्ल्ड में हम झुकना ही भूल गए हैं. We feel it is outdated. So have that, you know, attitude of always finding way and always, you know, कि नहीं ये चीज होना है. अगर एग्जाम है तो है, शो बुक्ड है तो है, और ट्रैवल करना है तो what is the best I can do from whatever I have, whatever situation I am in. So I have, you know, even during the travels, I have had my जाते हुए हम मेरे पास या तो उस समय I was not as spontaneous as I am right now. At the age of 12, I had the script in my hand to prepare. So while going, and it was responsibility, I had to face thousands. And there was one event where I remember that I was like 1 lakh audience at a time 24 years back. And you are holding the crowd for 2.5 hours. Silent. So that is the energy that you need to be in. So we all have that power. That is what I mean. Provided you realize it and you use your own energies, your own self accordingly, and you direct your own energies that are up to giving powerful results in life. So make sure that whatever time you have, I remember that even while you know मेस की लाइन भी होती है ना, तो उसमें भी मेरी एप्रन में वो एक छोटा सा एक पर्चा होता था where it I used to keep रिवाइजिंग कि अच्छा मैंने क्या पढ़ा है. रात भर जाके पढ़ाई भी की है उतनी, और प्रैक्टिस भी हमने वैसी ही की है. So it is just that, you know, what is that you are choosing from within. तो आपको अगर सचमुच सक्सेसफुल होना है तो वो करना पड़ेगा ना, वो स्ट्रक्चर से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा. आई हैड one of my friends, my roomie, my room partner, you know, and she used to get very anxious at night, you know, कि एग्जाम के टाइम पे स्पेशली कि नहीं मुझे तो 8-9 घंटे अगर मैं नहीं सोऊंगी तो मैं दे ही नहीं पाऊंगी पेपर. और उसके लिए वो इतना फिक्स्ड बिलीफ बन गया था कि ओ माय गॉड आई नीड टू स्लीप फॉर 8 hours. इफ आई डोंट स्लीप पल्लवी फॉर 8 hours, आई विल नॉट बी फ्रेश टुमारो, एंड इफ आई एम नॉट फ्रेश टुमारो, हाउ विल आई परफॉर्म. एंड दैट वाज हर ट्रुथ. So it is not about the number of hours you sleep. It is about the quality of sleep and what you tell yourself within. तो पहले ही वो दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. So these are small fears and hooks that we create for ourselves. And what did I used to do? मैं मेस से जैसे ही मैं वापस आ जाती थी, मैं तभी सो जाती थी. See, you may have your own pattern. बट मैं तभी सो जाती थी और मेरे रूममेट को मैं बोलती थी कि तू जब सोएगी ना तब मुझे उठा देना, और फिर उसके बाद मैं रात भर पढ़ लेती थी. And I used to, you know, walk in the corridor and there was no one to check. कोई आके मुझे चेक नहीं करता था ये पढ़ रही कि नहीं है. No, it's your life. So I used to do that, and I want you all to follow that. that okay, find your way कि जहां पर भी मैं हूं, what is the best I can do right now. और वो रिजल्ट आपको मायने रखना चाहिए, ना कि the fears that the small patterns that we have fixed patterns that we have created कि इतना ही होना चाहिए, इतने ही we have those boxes. अभी का सिचुएशन तो बॉक्स में we need to think out of the box, we need to act out of the box, we need to feel out of the box for having the results out of the box. So always just ये चीज होने के लिए ये पल्लवी कर सकती है कि नहीं पता नहीं, ये होना चाहिए. अगर मार्क्स इतने आने चाहिए, रिक्वायर्ड है तो आने चाहिए. अगर सक्सेसफुल होना है तो होना है, और उसके लिए बी ओपन टू डू वट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड नीडेड एंड बिलीव दैट यू हैव द पावर, you have the capacity. Only when you say to your, if you relate yourself as weaker, if you relate yourself as ये कर सकता है पर मैं नहीं कर सकता हूं, तो कभी नहीं होगा. फिर आप वही चश्मा लेकर वापस ये सेशन से बाहर चले जाओगे कि हाँ ये मेरे लिए है ही नहीं. So I want each one of you to really ask yourself that पहले तो, do you really want to be happy and successful? Do you think that you are at the right place at the right time? Do you feel that there is a higher purpose that you can, and it is much more than just getting a good job and making more money and then having whatever next level of gadgets and materialistic things and dying? Or really living for a purpose and making sure that people remember you as you really made a difference and contributed to every soul that you were associated with in a positive way. So having attitude मेरा एक फंडा है कि मैं जिससे भी मिलती हूँ वो लाइफ में फॉरवर्ड होना चाहिए. आप मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे जाओ, कभी भी ऐसे नहीं रहेगा कि मैं यहाँ पर जाके आई और ऐसा किया और वैसा किया. इट वुड बी ऑलवेज फॉरवर्डिंग कि मेरा हर एक शब्द में कीमत है, हर एक पोस्ट में कीमत है, एंड इट इज द एनर्जी दैट आई एम पुटिंग इनटू वर्ल्ड, एंड इट नीड्स टू बी forwarding everyone who is reading it, who is associating with, in a pure positive way, in an honest way. That's my honest effort. What is the word that you are giving to yourself right now? When it comes to your teachers, when it comes to your parents, when it comes to your own self. Guilt, blame, resentment, never get hooked up there, okay? जब भी आप लाइफ में चलते हो ना, आपके आसपास में कंसिडर दैट इट इज ऑल द मूवी हैपनिंग अराउंड यू, कि कुछ देखा कुछ सुना और लोग अस्वस्थ हो रहे हैं. डोंट बिकम पार्ट ऑफ द मूवी बाय आपके भी इमोशंस और नीचे डाल के. You also getting anxious is you becoming part of that drama, you becoming part of that movie, with due respect to whatever is happening around us, okay? I really want you to understand that we respect whatever is happening, but the moment, if it is like, a mother and a child, if the child is ill and the mother also goes in panic, can she really help? The child will be more fearful कि मुझे कुछ बहुत बड़ा हो गया है. So you have to be your own parent, and that time you need not become part of that movie. Part of that, you're not from attachment, but from commitment that, nay, I need to do something about it. Okay, I see this, I hear this, I experience this, but okay, what is the best I can do right now? I can do, not the government, not the teachers, not the parents, not the world. You can't fix and change others. It's your life. They are doing what they are from their own processing system. But you have the power to process. And you have the power within. So I hope I made this session worthwhile, ma'am. I hope whatever I shared, you are taking home some message, something worthwhile that can be used for life. And 10 years down the line, I want someone here messaging me that, yes, ma'am, I used this. And today I am where I am because the choices I made and whatever I have taken at that in a time in your session. And that makes my life worthwhile.
Yes, that's so true. That's so true. So true. That we want that whatever that's the very agenda you have expressed in a very beautiful way.
Yes.
That is the very
Thank you.
agenda of
This is
organizing all
the
these
way
things.
I live life, and my life is working beautifully. I feel I save a lot of energy, which is utilized to something worthwhile than cribbing or crying or getting upset or feeling bad and increasing the emotional pollution and
Mm.
adding to it. Rather contributing in a positive way is what I feel we all need to do. And I really encourage each one of you to make that choice. Thank you.
Yes.
Use switch words and healing codes and write that number 37 on your hand when your affirmations don't work. What happens is, why do the affirmations don't work is क्योंकि affirmation मतलब आपको कुछ चाहिए है और आपको पता है कि आप वहां नहीं हो, और आपका बार बार ध्यान कहाँ जाता है जब आप affirmation बोल भी रहे हो, on not having it, on lack of it. So आपका ध्यान what is पे जाता है और व्हाट इज के हिसाब से आप तर्क लगाने लगते हो कि मैं बोल तो रहा हूं पर अभी के सिचुएशन के हिसाब से तो इट इज जस्ट नॉट पॉसिबल. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हेन द गैप इज मोर कि व्हाट यू वांट इज दिस, योर अफर्मेशन, and what you are is here, and then that gap, because of whatever situation, circumstances, people, it goes on increasing, and that creates anxiety. And the moment you create anxiety and negative emotions, the affirmations will not work for you. So one is not that what to say. Affirmations like, when I say I am happy, my soul needs to believe it. So I have to really vibrate to that level, look into my eyes and really feel that happiness. It may be crazy क्योंकि situation ही ऐसा है कि how do you feel happy? But at least you can resonate here. If I'm not resonating here, if I just say I'm happy technically. See, the power is in emotions. So unless and until I visualize my happy face, I visualize myself happy and feel that happiness within. Just writing that I am happy and saying to yourself I am happy will not work. You're not resonating there. So, first is when your affirmations don't work, check your feelings. When your affirmations don't work, check what you're imagining. Are you imagining yourself in proportion to what you're saying? Or you're imagining what you're the lack of it and saying what? So there is a discord. You're saying something and seeing something. So just check that. And if वो भी नहीं ये हुआ ना, मैं ये फेस से गई हूँ कि जब मैंने अफर्मेशंस यूज किए और मुझे एंग्शियस लगने लगा, मुझे अफर्मेशंस को देखने की भी इच्छा नहीं होती थी कि नहीं ये दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग, आई डोंट वांट टू सी. So then at that time, and there were people around me who hated affirmations. This doesn't work. So there are people who believe in actions. We need to actions तो हम वैसे भी लेते, but actions का power तभी बढ़ेगा when it is backed up by a different energy. So at that time, I attracted something called as switch word that we started with today. Together restore divine order now, or divine magic begin now, or change divine order now, or just using healing codes like 0927 is something like a broom. I believe that everything is energy, and words have energy. Your numbers have energy, and these energies take you to the needed frequency We call it manifestation zone of what you want in your life for your own self. So the numbers will take you to the manifestation zone easily. When affirmations don't work, use one word affirmation, क्योंकि उसका अर्थ नहीं है ना कुछ. तो जब अर्थ नहीं है तो हम अपना लॉजिक नहीं लगाते. हम अपना लॉजिक नहीं लगाते तो हम वो फ्रीक्वेंसी में इजीली चले जाते हैं, वरना हमारे फीलिंग्स ही हमारा हुक बन जाते हैं. So you will not feel bad when you're saying the number 37, right? Okay, 7411176 और 37 और 0927, ये सारे नंबर्स है जो मैं खुद यूज करती हूँ रेगुलरली. अपने लेफ्ट हैंड पे भी ये लिखा होता है हमेशा. So when affirmations don't work, we have so many structures and small tools that can create magic in your life, certainly. So 0927 you can write down, it's a broom for negative influence or impact of negative situations, people, circumstances, negative energies around you. ये झाड़ू है, ये उसको साफ करेगा. 1176 and 741 are magic numbers. Anything you want in your life, you just write 1176 और आपका intention लिख दो और भूल जाओ. And every time you want, you can just chant 1176 into water and drink it. There is a science behind it. Right now we don't have time, but yeah, you will get into the needed vibration. So when affirmations don't work, you can use this. Then 37 is for peace of mind. When you feel anxious just before your exams, just before something important, some project, some interview, you can just chant this 37 number into the water, drink it, or write 37 number on your hand, or just repeat 37 number. It is one of the tools. There are million tools available, but I'm just sharing one. Okay, and something that I have used, so that will decrease the clouding of thoughts or the influence of whatever you are hooked, the people, the circumstances, the situation. In spite of कितना भी mess में हो आप शांत रह पाओगे अगर आप ये whatever I'm sharing, अगर ये use करो तो ये the power is in implementation. Don't take it as a concept. Take it, use it. When you use it, when you practice it, you will get results. So did I answer your question? Yes. So when affirmations don't work, you check your feelings, you check what you're imagining. Great. And then use another tools if needed. But always make sure that you make it happen. Don't be resigned and go back to the tunnel niche. Yes.
Yes, that has been great to give these neurological tools. Yes, they are having their own frequency and they are bringing up to that frequency and magic happens. Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you
So,
so much.
thank you, Pallavi. It has been great.
Yes,
And
thank you.
may I request from all of the audience that tomorrow, when we meet, we can have a real physical magic, something shumsha, shumka, like
उसमें मजा आएगा definitely, but let me think over it, because I believe
if it is
that
possible.
we need to
If it is
use every
possible.
minute. वो short term pleasure नहीं, मुझे life long keys देनी है सबको.
Yeah, that's very kind of you and very thoughtful of you. And yes, okay, you design as you wish. Fine.
I
Whatever.
love the divine design, and it all goes for that order, and that is what I did.
Whatever is useful for students and
Yes.
whatever is all
Sure, ma'am.
people at this time, that of course that will be descending. And we are just the channels. We are just the channels.
Absolutely, I believe the
And-
same. I keep
Yeah.
reminding myself the same.
Yeah, we are just the channels, and whatever divine wants to play, and it is being played. It is being played. But of course, the divine has given some intelligence to us, and that divine intelligence is working through us because. So, okay, we just get connected with the divine. Whatever is flowing, we will.
Absolutely.
Yes. And
Absolutely.
it was
Thank you so
beautiful.
much.
It was a beautiful and loving session.
Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much.
lot, madam. Thanks.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you. I
from
hope
heart
I made
because
a
it is
difference.
coming from core of heart
Yes,
and whatever you are living,
it's
because
coming
that
from.
matters. Yeah, that matters. Otherwise, lectures are always there and books are always there and YouTubes are
So
always
it
there.
is not structured with presentations and PowerPoint. I kept it simple and flowing. I hope it
Yeah,
works for everyone.
because that's what is needed, na? Because whatever you are experiencing, you have worked through in your life, and or you have failed through in your life. If you are sharing that to others, maybe they will get benefited from that, and they can enjoy their life, and they can remove their hooks here and there. They can check for it. What is the hook and this and that.
There is
So nice.
always a way. There is always a way. Just stay there. Stay tuned.
Yeah. So nice. I'm feeling so happy and so contented. Yes. Thanks a lot. Thanks a
Thanks a lot,
lot.
madam. Thanks a lot.
Sorry, I got disconnected. Thank you.
Yeah. So see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow with the enthusiasm. And of course, these
More
participants will
energy,
be
more participation, more active
bringing
participation.
more participants and be ready for more active participation tomorrow for Pallavi Madam session. It will
Thank you.
be
I
at 12.
request everyone to go on Amazon and consider buying my book. The Door to Confidence opens here. Subscribe the YouTube channel and please leave your feedback so that it gives me power to give more. So thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye. All the participants, we will be meeting again at 12:30 p.m. Another wonderful session. Okay. So see you sharp at 12:30 p.m. Okay.